In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 benefits of mitt work. 1, 2, pivot, drop that back foot. Hi, my name's Glenn Holmes. I'm the co-owner of the Box and Burn Academy, the world's #1 boxing fitness education course, and I'm also the founding trainer here at Box and Burn in Los Angeles, California. All right, so the 5 benefits of mitt work, we're going to go one by one. The 5th one is probably the most overlooked, but number 1, technique. Mitt work is great for technique and drilling correct form and technique in boxing. If he was boxing by himself on the heavy bag, he's got to kind of keep himself in check with technique. But with mitt work, I'm in control of that technique. So let's take the jab, for example, right? So when I have him throw that jab, I'm making sure that he can fully extend his arm, slightly turn his hip, turn that knuckle over. All the techniques that we work on with the jab, I'm in control of making sure that he can do that. That's one of the huge benefits of mitt work. If we take the 1-2, for example, he throws the 1-2, I can hold these mitts in the perfect position to make sure that he can fully extend his arm, turn the hips, shift the weight in the legs, all the correct techniques that we're looking for with these punches. I'm in control of doing that, and I can make sure that happens on the mitts. So mitt work, number 1, great for technique. Second benefit of mitt work is timing. Now this is huge. If I'm trying to get him to just time those punches, if he was working by himself on a heavy bag or shadow boxing, it's up to him to dictate that timing. With the mitt work, it's up to me to dictate that timing. So I can give him the target, and then he's got to react and shoot that shot and time that punch perfectly every single time to make it feel good. So if we take the jab, for example, my mitts are down, as soon as I give him that target, he's got to react and time that shot. Jab. Good. So he's just reacting to the target and he's throwing the punch. You got that reactive timing. Cross. Good. 1-2. Good. And again, it's just nice and accurate, but he's got to react and deliver those punches with perfect timing. So second benefit of mitt work is the timing of the punches. That's what you're going to get out of the mitt work. The third benefit of mitt work is accuracy. Again, with a heavy bag, you've got a big target. With shadow boxing, you've got to create that target. With mitt work, the target's right in front of you, and to make that punch feel solid and feel good, you've got to deliver that punch with accuracy. You've got to really focus on your target and land those knuckles right in the middle of the target as well. And again, it's up to me to create the realistic target for him so the punches can be nice and accurate. So let's take the 1-2 left hook, for example. When I hold that target for him for the 1-2 left hook, so 1-2 hook, I'm going to keep the target nice and narrow and realistic. I'm not going to get too big where his form's going to get off and the target's going to get bigger. I'm going to keep it nice and narrow and create that realistic target as if it was a head, right? So all 3 punches are kind of landing in that head range right here. So 1-2 hook, good. And he's got to be nice and accurate. He's got to deliver those straight punches down the same line and the hook right around the side at the same height. 1-2 hook. Good. So he's forcing him to be accurate with every single shot. That's the third benefit of doing the mitt work. The fourth benefit of mitt work is power. There's nothing better than really smashing the mitts as hard as you can with maximum power in every shot. So what I like to do when I'm working power is just maybe 1 or 2 shots at a time and really encourage my boxer to focus 100% effort on really driving through that pad, really tighten up those fists, shifting the weight, using good technique, but just delivering it with maximum force and power. So for example, I'm just going to give him the cross right here, and I'm just going to have him focus purely on delivering it with power. Cross, power, good, harder, good, keep that elbow in a little bit, power, good. Now with the left hook, same thing. I'm just getting him to encourage to shift the weight with the back leg, power, good, power, there you go, good. So it's just great, 1 punch at a time, just delivering everything with maximum power. Another benefit of doing mitt work. All right, the 5th benefit of mitt work, probably the most overlooked one. Before I get to that, I just want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave any questions in the comments below. Rhythm. This is probably the most overlooked thing with mitt work. It's great for developing that rhythm in your boxer, right? And a quick example of this, we're going to take the combination of the 1-2, 1-2, so 4 straight punches. Now I can dictate the rhythm I want, and boxers who tend to struggle with rhythm in the shadow boxing or on the heavy bag, people who are new to boxing and don't feel that rhythm, mitt work is great for building that sense of rhythm. And you can choose what kind of rhythm you want. If we want a fast rhythm, a slow rhythm, everything in the same cadence. So for example, if we just take the basic combination, the 1-2, 1-2, and I can give him the cue of the rhythm that I want by saying it at the speed that I want. So if I want 1-2, 1-2, the way I say it is what I want back, right? So 1-2, 1-2, developing that rhythm, right? Now we can get more complicated and advanced with the combinations, of course we can, but here I'm just giving you a basic combination to give you the example of how it's great for developing that rhythm. Now if I want to take that combination and speed it up a little bit, I'm just going to say it a little quicker, and you can keep the same rhythm, but we're just going to deliver it with more speed. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. So again, it's just letting him find that rhythm. With the rhythm as well, if you're not getting the rhythm that you want, here's a tip for if you're working with somebody on the mitts. You can use that audio cue, use your mitts. So if I want a bit more speed, for example, I can be like 1, 2, 1, 2, and boom, 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 boom. I can give him that audio cue too. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Now I want 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice and solid. Bam, 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 bam. Good. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, bam. Good. So you're developing that rhythm in your boxer. That's probably the most overlooked benefit of mitt work, I feel like, is the rhythm. So 5 benefits of mitt work. Enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel.